Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. And so let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser here, and here go to the three dots on top right corner. Go there and scroll down all the way, and you can see the option help, and hover your cursor over there and select about Google Chrome here. And here you can see it's checking for updating, and it's already updating my Google Chrome to the newer version of it. So we have to wait for the update to finish. So we're gonna wait now. As you can see, my update download is completed, and it's also updated version of the Chrome. So all I have to do is simply relaunch it. As you can see, the Chrome is relaunching again, and here is checking for updates as well, and it will say that it's up to date. You can see Chrome is up to date. So in this way you can easily update your Chrome on laptop. So this is the video, and I will catch you on the next one.